Hey everyone, it is Sillyman here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a double jump game pass and add it to your Roblox game. So the first thing you want to do is get this model here. It's free and I will put the link in the description. So once you've gotten that, we're going to go over to our game and then create the game pass. So go over to your game on create.roblox.com and then go over to the passes section and then create a pass. So I'll just title it double jump and just click on create pass. So then load up your game on Studio and then go over to the toolbox. And if you don't see the toolbox here, go to view and then click on toolbox and that will show up here. And then go to this section in the toolbox. And then it should be on my models. And then click on the model and this will insert it into your game. And go back to the Explorer. Then I'm going to just expand this. And then we need to drag all of these things into the appropriate Roblox service. So drag double jump server into service script service. And then drag double jump client into starter player. And then inside of this folder, there should be another folder called starter player scripts. Drag it inside of that. And then drag the double jump remote into replicated storage. And then the double jump GUI into starter GUI. Then you can delete the rest. And then after that, I'm going to expand the double jump server script. You're going to see that there's something called pass ID inside of it. So, and this is going to be the ID of our game pass. So to get the ID of our game pass, we just go to the passes section of our game, click on the three dots, then click copy asset ID. And then you can just paste it here for the value property. And then if you expand the double jump GUI, you can see that there's also another pass ID object here. So do the same thing, paste the asset ID of the game pass. Okay, and that should be it. So let's go ahead and play the game. Alright, so we have the button here. So if I try double jumping, it works since I already own the game pass. So when you create a game pass, you automatically own it. If I click on the button, it's going to prompt me to buy it. Of course, in this case, I already own it. So it's just going to say I already own it. But if I didn't, it would prompt me to buy it. And in case you get a warning in the output, what you want to do is go to game settings, security, and then make sure allow third-party sales is enabled. And then click on save once you've enabled it. And one more thing, we want to make sure that the pass is actually on sale so other players can buy it. So click on your pass and then go to sales, check this, and then we can put it up on sale. I'm just going to set it up for 1 Robux. And then click on save. But that is going to be it for today's video. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and I will see you all in the next video.